We all have stuff hanging around our homes taking up space. What if I could show you a simple, safe way to sell your stuff online? Your stuff can be turned into cash if you put it in front of someone wanting your things and willing to pay for it. I'm Kevin Miller, and for years I've been selling my stuff safely online. In this course, I'll show you how you too can literally have people paying you to take away your unused, unneeded, unwanted items. Together, I'll show you the easiest and safest platforms to sell your items. We'll discuss strategies for making great posts, including taking great product images, writing appealing descriptions, and we'll talk about safe options for getting paid for your items and how to best exchange your products for your payments. Several past course attendees have commented on how encouraged and confident they are now after going through this course, that they're going to go sell some of their stuff online and really start to use some of the things they learned in the course. In this course, you'll see how quickly and easily you can start posting your things online, from serious interested buyers to those who just want to sell a few things laying around the house. You can quickly convert your stuff to some extra cash. Sign up for this class and get selling safely online today.